Namaskar. I'm Cyril here. Today we're going to show you butter chicken and butter naan. But before I start, today my YouTube food channel got 100 subscribers. Thank you for your support. Please like and share with friends and family. God bless you all. Ingredients are 2 cup maida, 1 cup flour, wheat flour, 1 cup yogurt, salt to taste, half teaspoon soda and half teaspoon baking powder. We have 400 grams of chicken. We have Amul fresh cream. You have turmeric. You have whole jeera. You have whole red Kashmiri chilies, onion. I took 2 onions and I took 4 tomato slice. 2 onion slice, 4 tomato slice. Then we have kasturi methi. We have garlic ginger paste, coriander powder, Kashmiri powder, cumin powder, butter, magic coal at the end, and some of little kasturi methi, lemon, and small amount of chopped cilantro. Before we start the chicken, first we do the naan because we have to knead the naan and keep for a while for at least half an hour. So we have 2 cups of maida, 1 cup of wheat flour, add to it, half 5 spoon of yogurt, that is half of this, half cup of yogurt, and this yogurt is for the chicken. Then we have half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of soda, and little salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now we'll mix this properly. We'll put 1 teaspoon of oil, one more put, so put 2 teaspoon of oil, and then let's knead the dough. Add a little water and knead the dough for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Don't forget, we are making butter naan. Just to grease the dough and knead for another 4 more minutes. Ready? Now for this much dough, I took 2.5 cup of water and 4 teaspoon of oil. If you want, you can add little more oil also. Why? Because it depends upon the elasticity of the all-purpose flour. Sometimes the maida is good, sometimes depends upon the quality also. So I am taking little more of oil. Okay, and finishing the dough. Then I will keep this for half an hour. Put some wet cloth on top and let it stay for half an hour in the warm place. After this, we will start marinating the chicken tikka. Nicely greased. Keep half an hour for resting. Marination of chicken. Salt, half a teaspoon. Ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon. Little bit of kasturi methi I am putting. Then 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 2 teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 lemon, squeeze one lemon, and then put yogurt, half wati of yogurt, half cup of yogurt. That means 4 teaspoon of yogurt. Add little oil. That should be around 2 teaspoon of oil, and marinate the chicken and keep for half an hour. As I said earlier, if you marinate the chicken and keep more for 2 hours or more than that, or even overnight, it will be more aromatic and more tasty. But as I said, minimum should be half an hour, maximum can be more than 2 hours. Chicken is marinated. Now let's start with the gravy. Alright, let's start with the gravy. And on the gas, put this kadai. Let it get hot for us 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Garam ho raha hai, it's getting hot. Let's put now oil, 3 tablespoons of oil. We are going to make masala, gravy out of this butter chicken, okay? So to start with, we add jeera powder, whole jeera, then add ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic, just saute for around 20 seconds. Make sure it's not burnt. Then soak this Kashmiri chilies, 4 pieces. Put in that. Soak Kashmiri chilies, because while we soak, easy to grind. It will grind very fast. Then add 2 sliced onion. Saute this onion till translucent. Don't burn. But finally, after adding the masala, the powder spices and the tomato, we are going to grind this into a gravy. Now it's getting translucent. You can see the onions. Now we will add the powder spices. Half chammach haldi powder, 1 chammach cumin powder, 1 chammach coriander powder, 1 chammach red chili powder, salt put now, swad anusar. Cook for 1 minute, and then we will add tomato. The cook, add tomato now and cook for 5 minutes at least, because afterwards, after the paste, we are going to cook on a slow flame at least for 15 to 20 minutes. So cook now for 5 minutes and then turn off the gas and let it cool, and then we'll put in the grinder, mixer, and then we'll make a smooth paste. Okay, here the masala is ready. Now we'll put in the same pan. I'm not changing the pan. Is on. Put a little oil. Put this ground masala inside. And let it cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame, and then you can slow it down at least 15 to 20 minutes. As this is been getting cooked, we'll grill the marinated chicken on the griddle. As this is getting cooked, we'll start making naan now, butter naan. So we'll shift this on another gas and let's start doing the butter naan. As this is getting cooked on a slow flame, we'll start with the chicken. Here you see guys, Chicken is nicely marinated. Let's put oil and do it on a medium flame, and then in between just last 2 minutes make it high. Let's put one piece of chicken. Yes, oil is hot. Now this one we don't have to cook it very thoroughly because we're going to put in the gravy and then we're going to cook in the gravy for another 5 more minutes. For 2-3 minutes we turn and then we'll keep aside, and when finished we'll add in the gravy. Gravy is almost getting ready now. Now we'll take out the chicken and then we'll add in the gravy. You see, the gravy is almost done. The butter is separating, oil is separating. So now final touch, we add 3 spoons of butter, little bit, half spoon of honey, salt, स्वाद अनुसार, little bit of kasturi methi here. You see this? Just rub and put. Stir on a slow flame. Make sure don't make it very high. Add cream, around 4 teaspoons. If you don't have this, you can use your fresh cream, but before using that homemade fresh cream, just blend in the mixer and put. I am using this Amul fresh cream. Just dissolve the cream in the gravy, and here you see where magic coal is get last minute. Now before that, we add the chicken, the grilled chicken. Stir it for 20 seconds. Our magic coal, cover it, okay, and keep it for 10 minutes. Let the smoky flavor infused in the butter chicken. So when the final product is ready, you know what I mean, you will get the smoky flavor, same like restaurant style. Now we keep aside. Butter chicken is ready. Let's start with the butter naan. You see, the dough is almost done. Punch the dough before we start. Take little oil and one more time. Again knead the dough. See, fantastic. Now let's make the now. Before we roll them into naan, just roll it like this and keep aside. Take the next one. See how I am doing it. Just roll it like this. Keep aside. The rolls are ready. Now let's start making naan. Alright. Let's roll the naan. Make sure your gas is on high flame. This has to be very hot. Make the naan like how you want, whatever shape, oblong, rectangle, round, up to you. Our griddle is really hot. Coming out, it's popping up now. Now let's turn the cook on both the sides. Cooking. You see how it's getting color, caramelized. side, so the sides are cooked. Rotate the pan like this. Now slowly take out. See the other side. Take out from this. Put on the gas just for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. Keep aside. Let's start the next one. Apply little butter. Check the butter chicken. Wow. Remove this out. Discard. Chop cilantro. And little bit of butter, 1 spoon. And now let's dish out the butter chicken. Alright guys, our butter naan and butter chicken is ready. Guys, please try my recipe. If you like, please share, comment, and please any newcomers, new guests, new help. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more latest notification. Thank you very much. Please enjoy.